Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raza, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you can force restart your iPhone. So when will it be necessary to do a force restart on your iPhone device? There can be many different reasons, but the most common reason would be if your phone stops responding to your touches, or your iPhone just hangs, signals are not working, network is not working. These are the most common problems or issues you might come across, and in that event you can go ahead and simply do the force restart to hopefully resolve your issue. The way you will do the force restart on your iPhone 10 or up, basically the model with the small notch at the top or Face ID, the way you would put that phone into a force restart mode is by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then pressing and holding the side button right here. And then once you see the Apple logo, you will let it go. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So I'm going to press volume up, volume down, pressing the side button and hold. You're going to see the slide to power off slider. So you're going to keep holding the button until you see the Apple logo. So here we are. So I'm going to let it go now, and then it should now restart in a few seconds. Alright, so here we go. Now the phone has been restarted. So guys, I hope you guys like this quick tutorial on how you can force restart your iPhone device. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below so you can follow the correct method for your model. Hope you guys like this video. Please remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. As always, see you on the next one.